Sophie Elsworth is News Corp's European correspondent. She joins me now. Sophie, this is literally insane. And the fact that they've had to do a report into it to work out whether or not this could be dangerous, I mean, that's insane as well.
Well, Caleb, it's really concerning, isn't it? Because we are seeing that issues here have been overlooked as a result of this. So these findings that came out, the reports here are extremely concerning, and they're worried that it's resulting in cancer diagnoses and so forth being overlooked. And it's becoming a really hot issue in the UK where people are concerned if you raise issues about sex or gender, you can be cancelled. So this is a really concerning development, and one that I think the government needs to take action on, because this could have really serious impacts down the track if people are missing those diagnoses.
Indeed, but it just seems so straightforward. I mean, if there is anything that should not be infected by ideology, it's health policy. The objective here should be to make sure that as many people are healthy and well as possible. If you put anything in the way of that, surely it is an abrogation of responsibility, an obvious abrogation of responsibility.
Well, you would think so, Caleb, and this is why there's been issues raised, because some of this data has been basically erased from the records going back as far as a decade. So I think this is a moment in time where, especially with Trump really calling out these types of problems, he's saying that there's issues with people identifying as certain genders. He's the one who's really, trying to turn the tide on this. And I think we perhaps might see more governments around the world do this.
Meanwhile, you've got Prince Harry's immigration documents. They've been unsealed after a 2-year legal jostle. What's in them?
Well, Caleb, there was 80-odd pages, and most of it was heavily redacted, so we don't know. But in his book Spare, he said that he dabbled in drugs, including marijuana and cocaine, and there were questions raised of whether or not he disclosed this when he, filled out his visa application to get into the US. But we're really none the wiser. We don't know, because it was so heavily redacted. So there's people raising questions of whether or not he got into America legitimately, Caleb.
Well, there's lots of people who wouldn't want him back in the UK either. Sophie Elsworth, thank you so much for your time.